Hey everyone! So I'm sure that you are all aware that Midjourney version 6 alpha has dropped, and one of the main new upgrades is that you can generate images with text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate graphics with text added. I'll show you multiple example prompts that are useful also for print on demand. So here we are inside of Discord, and we're going to get our settings right and ready to generate our images with text. So if we do / and then settings, and let's press enter, and then you can see that we are using Midjourney model version 6 alpha. So that's perfect. That's what we want to be using. And then we're just going to add a suffix. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the search bar. We're going to do / and then we're going to type in suffix, and then we're going to click on this one, and then we're going to press new value, and we are going to say do -- stylize, and we're going to do 200, and we -- and then we're going to do version 6. And then we've got everything, all our settings set, ready to generate our images. Great. Okay, so let's do our first prompt. So I'm going to do / imagine, and then I'm going to put in my prompt. So I have done 2D vector art of a big beef burger, chips and drink with the text. Now, this is really important, guys. You need to put your text in speech marks. So I have gone with the text speech mark, burger meal, close speech mark, isolated on a white background. So let's hit enter and let's see what Midjourney creates for us. Okay, so let's see what Midjourney has created for us. Cool. Okay, so first load. So we have got burger meal in the top quadrant, spelled correctly. In the second one, this doesn't look completely clear. And then we go the fourth one, it's spelled correctly, not quite in that third one. I did re-roll the prompt, so let's see what we've got. Burger meal. Yeah, looks like it is spelled right on nearly every one there, which is awesome. So that's really good. I have done another one, and I have just changed it to the word pizza. So as you can see, I have done pizza in the speech marks there. It's come up. All the writing looks great. Looks like it's, really incorporated into the image, and it is all spelt right, which is awesome. And I then did another one of a chocolate milkshake with the text shake shake, and that too is in the speech marks. So that one hasn't come up quite as well, but quadrant 2 is looking good. So I have just changed the prompt, and I have now done a strawberry milkshake. So that is going to be generated for us. And just a little tip for you guys, if you hit the forward arrow, it will bring up the prompt that you have just done. So you could then make changes if you wanted to. So you could then change it to vanilla milkshake or change the text or whatever. But that's just a really cool little shortcut, which I think is amazing. So let's see what Midjourney creates for us. Oh, that looks cool. Cool. So top 2 have got the right text, and I really like number 1, actually. I think that looks brilliant. Okay, so we're going to try a couple more, some sort of different types of prompts now. So these are what I think you could use for print on demand. So they would look really cute on like a t-shirt or a bag or anything. So I'm just going to do the following prompt. So I'm going to do my / imagine, and then I'm going to pop my prompt in. So as you can see, I have gone for colourful vector illustration featuring a palm tree encircled by a vintage sunset motif with sharp outlines and the text in speech marks, sunset dreams. So let's see what happens there. And because we set our prefix, we have got our stylization 200, and we are using version 6. Cool. Okay, so This is what Midjourney has created for us. So we have got some awesome pictures of a palm tree with a sunset and the word sunset dreams. So it's been spelt correctly on some of them, and I think these look really cute and they would look really nice on a t-shirt or a bag, and I think you could absolutely sell those, you know, using print on demand. They look brilliant. I then did colourful vector illustration featuring a bird flying encircled by a vintage sunset motif with sharp outlines and the text "fly high" in speech marks. So they look quite cool, quite like the design there of square 2. I think they look brilliant, obviously not quite spelt correctly, so I did re-roll it, and let's see what we got. So the spelling is slightly better on a couple of those. So yeah, you just have to keep re-rolling it to get the right you know, sort of image, and making sure that the text spells you know, correctly. So I really hope that you guys found this useful on using version 6 and the new text parameter. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys found this video useful, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, we really do appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.